Hey girl. Well guys, it's another beautiful morning in sunny December Portugal, which baffles me. I have a horse following me. Hey girl. What are we doing today? She's so adorable, look at her. She's like a dog sometimes. But let's go and check on the cement. It's not going to be fully cured for maybe 48 hours, maybe even more. But the plan today, let's see if we can get this barrel out of the barn. I haven't got a workforce of helpers to come and help me, so it may have to be me by myself. So let's see. I'm hoping with the use of fulcrums, pivots and physics we can negotiate it out of the barn. But first, let's have a look at this, the posts. What an absolutely beautiful morning. So here are the posts. Touch dry, which is good. Yep, so it's curing, which is very, very nice. They're definitely, I don't want to wobble too much, but they're definitely stiff in place. So that's really good news. It's possibly good news too that the sun seems to arch over this tree here, so it doesn't get a lot of sunlight, which only to increase the run here so the chickens can come out and have some good sun. But it may actually be a bit of a blessing having the shade, the coop in shade, so we shall see. I do need to cut a lot of these trees back, so maybe we'll get some dapple sunlight through, which could be amazing. But on to the barn. Bird. So the team has arrived to help get the tractor out. I was gonna try it by myself, Sophia, but then I thought
no, it's too precious.
The risk in case something snaps and the tractor rolls back. So I'll be pulling and Sophia will be navigating. So just break off.
Do you want me to pull and you navigate? I think that's probably
No, you can do it, honey.
No, I think that's probably better.
Sophia, I trust you implicitly.
Yeah, but I don't trust myself.
Sophia, all you need to do is turn the wheel, you'll be fine. I'll go nice and slow.
Oh, I don't know.
The main thing is don't crash into the door. I've taken the...
Is it just the tractor?
Yeah, I've taken the tiller off.
Okay.
Or do you know how to do the brake with your foot?
Yeah.
Take it off the clip first, and then hold it. Yeah. Make sure to neutral, and then we're good to go. No pressure, we're on camera, but yeah. All we need to do really is get it out past there. If you need me, just like shout. Let's go.
It's gonna jolt, isn't it? Like
No, I'll go real.
But it's automatic, so you don't have that.
Sophia's saying, will it jolt like last time? Last time I had the ride of my life. I was in this tractor, and then a certain person pulled me. I'll try and find a clip of it, and I saw the sky straight away. I was like, I'll try and not do that. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Right, off the brake. You okay?
Uh-huh.
And you try and keep it straight.
Yeah.
Off the tree.
Is that where you want it?
Yeah, just sit back.
smooth.
Anyway guys, we're out of the barn. Now that leaves one job, to get this barrel over here out. I don't even know if it fits through the door yet. I think it might just. I think I measured with my arms, it feels right. No, it definitely will. Look at the size of it.
The bigger one won't, I don't think.
I don't think it'll come up on camera because I haven't got my torch, but if it adjusts this through this door, it's gonna work. Right, thank you Sophia for the assistance. This is stance. Before we carry on, I'm just going to get some fuel because we're currently under the same predicament where we have one car that has a battery, one car that works, this with an alternator. So if this car
the lawnmower
breaks,
with no alternator.
yeah, if this car breaks, that's all our lifeline's gone. So before it runs out of petrol,
Fly will have to saddle up Fly and go to the shops.
So before I run out of petrol, I'm gonna get some petrol first, and then let's get this barrel out. Thanks, then.
You're welcome.
I'm going to try and tip it on some tyres, and hopefully then I can then tilt it forward nice and slowly, and let's see, this is what you were waiting for, will it smash? Well, it's down. Some of the rings came off, but they were loose beforehand, so it's still one piece. So maybe I'll repeat with the tyre, move the tyre, flip it until we're outside, and then we can just roll it. But this, look at the size of this barrel, it's massive. Wow.
Didn't think I'd climb so high. Never thought I'd have it all. Floating somewhere in the sky. And I don't think I'll ever fall. Hold on, don't let go of me yet. Don't want it to end, just stay right here. Hold on, don't let this slip away.
So close.
I don't know anybody quite like you. You can lift me up, and the truth is I'm falling. I'll be there till I'm gone. I don't need anybody. Only you can lift.
Just look at the size. This is bigger than any chicken coop I've seen, so.
Funny when I'm looking back, every single photograph never fails to make me smile. Hold on, don't let go of me yet. Don't want it to end, just stay right here. Hold on, don't let this slip away.
My concern with that one was that it would fall over and break, but solid as a rock. And now we can roll it. Whew, wow. We did it. We absolutely did it. If you have a dream, you have an idea, try it. If you fail, you try again. So the barrel has made its final departure to Chicken Coop Central, and you can start to get an idea for just how big this part is, because you know how big the barrel is. I actually think the barrel, this post may be a little bit too far apart, but with a nice sagging rope, I think it'll sit nice in the middle. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. So guys, we have a few options here. So do we have the barrel almost sitting on, got a bungee tie I can try and show you, like a piece of rope like this. We could also put some horizontal beams across to see if that works. Or maybe both, maybe neither, who knows. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. I've got to say though, I am happy with the look it's getting. So just imagine that hopped over there. It could be stunning. So there's a few concerns people had about how I'm going to clean the coop. So I'm going to have a big door at the back, so I can open it and I can sweep everything. I may even raise the level of the floor, so it's a flat floor. I like the idea at first of the curve, because any chicken droppings from the roosts will sort of all find their way to the centre, which could be easy to clean. But let me know your thoughts. Maybe a small horizontal platform in the middle. Just tripped over something. Horizontal, like sort of level platform in the middle, and then some roosts, and then maybe the poo can fall under the platform. Then when I come and clean, I can scrape it out. So it could be a good idea. But yeah, the hardest bit is done. I'm absolutely chuffed. And just before I get a cup of tea, let's go and say hello to Fly. Hey Fly, what are you up to? Hey? Good girl. Good girl. Do you want a carrot? I'll get you a carrot.